In this video, I will show you how to find your Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Google Analytics. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come into your settings by coming down to the bottom left hand corner and clicking onto this gear icon which says admin. Now in here, what you want to do is look for the data collection and modification section, and then you want to go ahead and click here where it says data streams. From here, what you want to do is select the website that you want to get the tracking code for. That's going to bring up a window like this, and from here you want to come down to the bottom and click here where it says configure tag settings. Now I've not actually set up a tag for this one, but once you click onto this you're going to see your tracking code, and then of course you can copy and paste that wherever you need to. So that is how to find your Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.